Dear students, in today's lecture, we will start the new chapter, fresh chapter. So here, chapter number 6, and that is the adaptive radiation. This chapter we will study today, and this adaptive radiation is also called as divergent evolution. Remember, here we are studying as per our syllabus. So in the syllabus, there is a chapter number 6 and adaptive radiation. This name is given. But you remember, adaptive radiation is also called as divergent evolution. Divergent evolution. So here we will first see the evolution. What is the adaptive radiation? That we will study here. The evolution from one species. Remember, evolution from one species to number of different forms, to number of different species. एका स्पेसीसचे इव्होल्युशन होऊन अनेक स्पेसीस तयार झाल्या तर त्याला म्हणायचं अडॅप्टिव्ह रेडिएशन्स. अडॅप्टिव्ह, दिस वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द अडॅप्टेशन, adjustment made by animals to their surroundings or to their environment, to their atmosphere. That is called as the adaptation. And mechanism of adjustment is called as the adaptive. Adaptation means adjustment. Adaptive means doing the adjust. So adaptive radiation, and here radiation means the spread up as per the suitable condition, as per the ecological habits. That is spread up is called as the radiation. Adaptive radiations means spread up as per the adjustment to the environment. So here evolution of one species of animals. We are studying the evolution in zoology, means in the animal science. So here evolution from one species of animals, not plants. Plants is in your another optional subject, that is the botany. So here the species of animals, two number of different forms, two number of different species of animals, that is called as the adaptive radiation. Number of definitions are there. We have to write the simple, short but sweet definitions. So remember that. Another definition is evolution of animals. Evolution of animals in several directions, in many directions, from a single ancestor. एका सिंगल अनसेस्टर पासून सेव्हरल डायरेक्शन मध्ये, वेगवेगळ्या डायरेक्शन मध्ये जर ॲनिमलचं इव्होल्युशन होत असेल तर त्याला म्हणायचं अडॅप्टिव्ह रेडिएशन. See here another definition. Evolution of animals or evolution of animal species in several directions, वेगवेगळ्या डायरेक्शन मध्ये, from single ancestors is called as adaptive radiation. Spread up to adjust their environment. Adaptive radiation. Successfully radiate. Radiate means the spread of, फैलवणे. इथे ब्रॅकेट मध्ये त्याचा अर्थ लिहिलेला. रेडिएट म्हणजे स्प्रेड. सो सक्सेसफुली रेडिएट means successfully spread of animal species into other environments. That is called as the adaptive radiation. Here, for understanding the adaptive radiations, number of definitions are there. You can search in Google also. You can search in book also. You will find different definitions or different ideas, different statements of different scientists about the adaptive radiation. So here, evolution from single ancestor. एका सिंगल अनसेस्टर पासून जर इव्होल्युशन होत असेल टू ए व्हरायटी ऑफ फॉर्म्स, that is called as the adaptive radiation. Here adaptive radiation leads to speciation, different species. Adaptive radiation leads to speciation, means different species are formed from the single species. Adaptive radiation leads to speciation. Here it leads to speciation. It means adaptive radiation. Remember, we are studying the adaptive radiation. Now, habitats where new ecological niches open, so in different directions, spread out the species of animals. So here the different habitat forms, different ecological places are formed where new ecological niches are open, new habitats are there. Now one of the scientists who have given the good explanation about the adaptive radiation, the name of that scientist is the Professor Osborn. This is the name of the scientist, Osborn, and he was a professor. So given these results in laws, Osborn given the results of adaptive radiation in the form of a law, and that law is called as adaptive radiation. That law is called as the adaptive radiation. Here the examples are given for clear the ideas of adaptive radiation. So two examples are given. So first example, the Australian marsupial or Australian marsupials. Australians means belong to the Australia, and marsupial means the animals those having the paws. पोटाला पिशवी असते कांगारू सारखी, that is called as the marsupials. Evolution, त्याची उत्क्रांती into adopted as a herbivorous. Herbivorous means those eating the plants. Carnivorous means those eating the other animals, depend on other animals for their food. Burrowers means those living in the earth by making the burrows. जमिनीमध्ये बिळं करायची, बिळं जसं उंदरांची बिळ असतात, त्या बिळामध्ये उंदीर जाऊन बसतात, असे हे बरोज, त्याला बरोज म्हणायचे. बिळाला आपण बीळ जे म्हणतो, आपल्या गव्हाच्या शेतामध्ये उंदर बीळ करतात, होल्स करतात, होल्स इन द अर्थ क्रस्ट. So that is called as the burrows. So burrowers, flyers, they are flying in the air. So here the best example, Australian marsupials, evolution into the adapted as herbivorous, carnivorous, burrowers and flyers, different marsupials, Australian marsupials. Basically it is a single ancestor, and from that single ancestor, so the carnivorous, herbivorous, burrowers, flyers, the four different species are formed as per their living habits, as per their feeding habits. Here the herbivorous, that is the feeding habits, feeding on the other plants. Carnivorous, it is the feeding habits, means they are feeding on other animals. Burrowers means their living place. Flyers, their habit to fly in the air. So four different species of the Australian marsupials evolution. Another example, that is the development of mammals. Mammals are developed after the extinction of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs पर्यंत evolution आलं and dinosaurs finished only. So evolution of mammals after the extinction of dinosaurs. This is another example of adaptive radiations. Now we will study the causes of adaptive radiations. What is the reason? What is the causes? काय कारण आहे adaptive radiation होण्याचे कारण काय आहे? Causes of adaptive radiation. So the major cause of adaptive radiation is the food, their safety, safe from their predators, from their enemies, and four generalized directions. Here, dear students, I would like to say you, so causes and adaptive radiations. So about this, there are 4 directions. One direction is animals living over the earth surface. Over the earth surface. जमिनीच्या वर राहणे. Over the earth surface. Called as the cursorial animals. Other is animal living beneath the earth surface. Beneath the earth surface. जमिनीच्या खाली. That is called as the fossorial animals. Then third one, above the earth surface. So that is arboreal, झाडावरती राहणे. That is also called as the scansorial. Scansorial. बघा प्राण्यांची हॅबिट कशी आहे, जमिनीवरती राहतात, जमिनीमध्ये बिळं करून राहतात, जमिनीच्या वर राहतात म्हणजे झाडावरती राहतात. So they are called as the arboreal or scansorial. Finally into the aerial or volant, हवेमध्ये उडणे. Into the water. Living into the water. So these are the different places. So different causes of adaptive radiation. They are having the habit aquatic. They are having the habit to arboreal. They are having a habit about the fossorial. जमिनीमध्ये बिळं करून. They are having the habit to live on the earth surface. So these are the different causes of adaptive radiation. So here again I would like to explain you the animals. They are the rectigrade animals. Rectigrade animals means they are having the heavy body weighted, heavy bodied. These heavy bodied animals are evolved into the amphibious animals. So this is the one way, heavy weighted to the amphibious, from the amphibious to the terrestrial, then cursorial and digitigrade. Another step is the cursorial, which is anguligrade. So these are the different adaptive radiations. Another one is the arboreal, living on the trees. So they are evolved into the aerial, or they are also called as the volant. So from this arboreal, again they become semi-arboreal. Here there is a figure. I am explaining the figure because this figure, there is no space on the board for to sketch the figure. And also the chart, biovisual chart, which we called from the Agra biotech company. So that is in the college, and nowadays work from home. So here this is the adjustment made for the work from home, small board for the explanation. So dear students, this our work from home or online lectures, this is only adjustment made by the teacher for the students. कोरोना आपल्याला रडत बसायचे नाही, आपल्याला रडायचे नाही, आपल्याला लढायचं आहे. जी परिस्थिती आलेली आहे, सिरियस परिस्थिती असेल, गंभीर असेल, खतरनाक असेल, तरी आपल्याला आपला मार्ग काढायचा आहे. आपल्याला रडायचं नाही, आपल्याला लढायचं आहे. Even though in the corona also we will arranging our period, we are teaching from the home. You are also studying or attending period on the mobile online lectures. So dear student, this figure I am explaining here. So in the figure there is the rectigrade. Rectigrade means heavy bodied, and from the heavy bodied the amphibious animals are born. Then arboreal. Arboreal means they are aerial, flying in the air, or they are also called as the volant. So from this semi-arboreal, now they are terrestrial. That is living on land. Terrestrial means living on land. So that is the plantigrade. From plantigrade they become the fossorial, means diggers. Then they become subterranean, means underground. Another way, that is aquatic animals becomes the amphibious. Amphibious becomes terrestrial. Terrestrial becomes cursorial, which is digitigrade, and that cursorial again in the next step of the cursorial, that is the anguligrade. So this figure, adaptive radiations, I have explained there, and this is about the causes of adaptive radiations. So dear students, for today it is sufficient. Here in this period, in today's period, what we have studied, the new chapter 6 number started, that is the adaptive radiation, that is also called as the divergent evolution. From one species, number of different species are evolved, and then we have studied two examples given by the Osborne, Professor Osborne. Then we have again studied the causes of adaptive radiations, which is in our syllabus. The causes of adaptive radiations, there are 4 causes. So dear students, send your presentee as early as possible. Presentee is very important. There are 69 students in BSc second year, but only up to the 40 students are attending the periods. So for today it is sufficient. Thank you very much.